Hello everybody, I'm Salvatore by Accademia Siciliana. Today we're going to talk about a very particular topic, that is greetings in Sicilian. Okay, let's start with informal greetings. When you meet friend of yours or an acquaintance, okay, the typical Sicilian greeting is salutamu, that can be translated as let's say hello, salutamu. Even though nowadays it's no more that used since the Sicilianization of the Italian ciao, that is ciao. So it's more common when speaking to someone in Sicilian to hear ciao instead of salutamu. Then, another peculiarity of greetings in Sicilian is that there is no good morning. People don't say good morning in Sicilian. When they say that, they usually say that in Italian, buongiorno, or they try to adapt this Italian word to Sicilian, creating something like buongiorno or buongiorno or something like that. But we have, of course, buonasera, good evening, buonasera, and buonanotte, good night, buonanotte. When you separate from the person you are talking to, you usually say ne vedremo, I will see you. This greeting doesn't have a polite, we could say, version. We usually say arrivederci in Italian or something like that. So let's see them again. So salutiamo, ciao, no good morning, buonasera, buonanotte, ne vedremo. Okay. If you want to ask someone how is it going and so on, you usually say "Come si?" Literally, how are you? You could also sometimes listen to "Come stai," but "Come stai" is just an Italianism and it's not that used actually. In Sicilian, you ask "Come si?" How are you? If you want to ask it to more than one person, you will say "Como siete?" Okay, guys, so these are more or less greetings in Sicilian. I will see you next time with a new video. Goodbye!